In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate navigation on your Sunnypilot. Unlike what you've seen on all the YouTube videos, you will notice when you get your device, you're not going to have navigation, and you also will not see anything regarding navigation on the settings. There are two reasons for that. One of them is in some branches and some distributions, the navigation is not supported. So you have to find, first of all, a branch that supports it. The one I'm using right now is, if I go to my options, this is the distribution I'm using. And again, by default, you're not going to see navigation here at all. And also notice you have to have downloaded the offline maps for this. You have to have a Wi-Fi connection or use our phone hotspot. So I have my Florida maps downloaded here. One thing that I've noticed confuses people a lot is under toggles, you have an option at the very bottom. It says show map on the left side of UI. That the emphasis here is not show map. It's more like show map on the left side as opposed to the right side. So don't think that when you turn it on, the map is going to show up. It just merely will show the map on the left side. So when you're navigating, this part is easier for you to see because you're sitting on the left side. I will show you how you can get it to a point where you can actually see the navigation and start navigating with your phone. First of all, make note of your IP address because that's going to come in handy. Navigation is not entered on the device itself, so it's not like Google Maps or your car navigation system where you just click somewhere here and it'll ask for destination. You type it in. It's not like that. And you have to navigate the IP device and the port number, and I'll show you what they are in a second, on your phone, and then you can enter destinations that way. First, I'm using my hotspot, so let me go settings under network into advanced, and there you're going to see your IP address for your device. In my case, 192.168.1.159. Write that somewhere. Later on, we're going to need that information to enter our navigation data. So next thing you're going to do is go to mapbox.com. You may have seen references to it on the Discord forums or on the websites, but this is where you're going to create an account. It's a free account, and once you do, you're going to create some tokens to plug into your device later on, and that's how you do the connection between the two. So if you don't have an account, here it will say create account. Click on it, you will create the you'll put in the basic information. On the next screen, it's going to ask you for a credit card. Don't worry, they're not going to charge you. It's in case you get to a point where you are putting in so many queries like a regular business that's running Mapbox, so you're not going to need that. But just go ahead, put in the information, and then your account's going to get created. So then when you're in your account, you will see the tokens section. Click on it, and by default, you're going to have a default public token. If you are doing this on your phone, so go to your car, go to this web page on your phone. I would recommend doing these steps on the computer first because it's a lot easier. Then navigate to the same web page on your phone, go to your car, so that you can copy and paste these into the Mapbox interface on your phone browser. So when you're here, first you're going to have a default public token. This is the public token it's going to ask you as the first information. So you're going to copy this and paste it into your browser. Next, we're going to create an app token. So I'm going to count down. So with the public token, only these were selected. For the app token, I'm going to select all of them. All you have to do is give it a name here. You can call it whatever you want. You can call it Mapbox, OpenPilot, Sunnypilot, whatever you want. I'm going to call this one test because I already have one. Say create token. It's going to ask you to confirm your password. In my case, I also have two-factor authentication. Let me go do that first. Okay, so your test token is created. You're going to be putting them into your browser. Here is what you have to do. With the public token, there's no problem because when you go back to this website on your phone, you're going to see your public token. The app token though, once I navigate away from this page or when I open it on my phone, this is not going to be visible anymore. So what you can do, copy this, email it to yourself so it's on your phone, and then you can paste it. Or alternatively, go to this web page and create the token on your phone. That way this screen's already on your phone and you can paste it into your browser. So either way, once you do these, your navigation will be available on your phone.